Don't go to Lowe's or Home Depot to get new rollers. This is this. It's plastic, it has no bearing, and this thing's only rated to like 40 pounds. This is this. It's all steel, it's super noisy, the bearing is crap, and it's also only rated to like maybe 50 pounds. This is industry standard ball bearing roller. It's got a steel stem, a nylon cap, and it's also rated to like 55, 60 pounds, depending on the variation. This is a precision bearing roller. It's got a nylon cap, steel stem, and it's rated to 100 pounds and 100,000 cycles. This is what you're getting with the Forever Lift system. Long lifespan, unlike the industry standard. This has maybe a 3-year lifespan. This we warranty forever. So if you think it's time to put new rollers on your garage door, remember, your door should last forever. So book an appointment with us online at kingoaks.com or call us at 407-908-2315 and break free from constant repairs.